Ever tried to troubleshoot a slow or frozen app, but your task manager kept getting buried under other windows? There's a quick fix. Today, I'll show you how to make Task Manager always stay on top, so it's easier to control your PC. So, let's jump right into it. Having Task Manager always visible helps you monitor performance and frozen apps quickly and keep an eye on what's draining your system without it disappearing behind other windows. Now, to do this, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Click on the setting gear icon in the left-hand menu. Now scroll down and look for the option Always on Top. Turn this on, and from now on, Task Manager will stay above all other windows. No more losing it when your computer slows down. And that's it. Just one simple setting and your Task Manager becomes way more useful. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.